Omurisisi hariho kumurikira abantu ebirori by'omu kucondooza kw'omwaka ogwire abahangu nibagira ngu enshonga y'obutagira bukwato birikumara hamwe n'esente ecumbagize emirimo yayo.
Come to that, unlike maternal newborn child health, we have found adolescent problems to be being influenced by very many sectors. And at the core of that field is everyoneness, that there are very many people are involved in as far as adolescent health is concerned.
Institutionally, so for you as an individual, it builds your portfolio. It makes people know who you are, what you're doing, and therefore you gain respect amongst your peers. But institutionally, because most of us are belonging either to research institutions or academic institutions like Mbarara University of Science.
Okukwatanisa n'amatendekero g'ebya sayansi agatunguukire omu nsi yoona na bimwe aha bintu ebigambirweho na munonga okuhwera entunguuka y'ebya sayansi omu ihanga eri.
I want you to think about how you can intentionally take that passion and turn it into impact. And one of the things that I want you to think about is when you're working. I mean, we've all been up at midnight. I was up at midnight on Monday working on ridiculous revisions that were tedious and annoying but had to be done to get my paper published.
We are being told that the government has provided modest money for research, and we administratively say it is, even Jesus had 5 fish, but how many loaves? 5 fish and 2 fish and 5 loaves.
Dr. Medad Bitekerezo owabiireho obunyishingiro wa Mbarara kandi hati orukuru ekitongole ky'ebyomubazi kya National Drug Authority abyari omugyenyi mukuru nagira ngu okucondooza n'enshonga nkuru omu buri murimo gwona.
Nagamba ngu nyowe kinkushaba n'ekintu kimwe nikyaba gavumenti kutura nitwenda ku developing ensi egi ninga ihanga eri. Gavumenti neetaka kuteeka esente nyingi omu research ezirikukorwa omu universities, because we know universities generators of knowledge and it is very bad twabashomera obushaho tokubaza kwemerera okatreating omuntu otabaniza wakora research ahangwara ekusona otreating.
My mentor and mentor to many, David Bangsberg of UCSF, along with Dr. Naka, started collaborating with us in 2003. So this is actually our 20th anniversary.
Okuhana nagira ngu abacondooza biine okwehara okweyendeza bakegyesa n'abandi abato okugira ngu okucondooza kwabo kutakafeera okuhera.
Korabe nomanya ngu otura nokora research nohandika grants yeta abaana bato abarugire mu university ninga abakirimu obegyese kuhandika nkiiwe otakababeyendeza okahandika wenka otegesa abandi kuri bawarugireho okashanga tina bakoza kuhandika grants tukiyamba universities.
Okucondooza okukozerwa abahangu kurwa mu itendekero lya Mbarara University of Science and Technology bakwatanise n'abandi bahangu okurwa mu universities aheru nka Boston University, Harvard University hamwe na University of St. Francisco, Canada. Gashokwa Akiza.